back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I installed this little pixie cut, whatever it's called, using GOT2B glue spray. But before you guys go any further, please hit that subscribe button below and enjoy. It is long in the front and very, very short in the back.
Nobody will feel you like I do. Nobody will feel sexy like I do. Nobody will feel hold you like I make you do.
I already have a video on my channel of me bleaching the knots, so I decided to just speed through this part. But if you guys want to see my updated bleaching knot tutorial, just leave a comment below. The key to a frontal looking like lace is to cut the lace in a zigzag motion. This prevents the wig from looking wiggy, and I know y'all know what I'm talking about, so I'm going to slow it down for you. So I know some people tint the lace, but I usually just put foundation on the lace just to get it closer to matching my skin tone. I'm kidding. This is not how it's gonna look, hopefully. But this isn't bad. Like, I feel like if I were to style this, this could be its own little hairstyle. Obviously it looks crazy right now, but I feel like it could really be something. If any of y'all agree with me, y'all liars. Cause that looked a hot mess. So I spray the GOT2B in about 3 sections with about 2 to 3 layers in each. I start with the middle and blow dry for about 15 seconds or until it gets tacky, and then I apply another layer. Then I move on to the sides and I spray about 1 layer in each so that can dry while I begin to lay down the middle portion. I try not to use my fingers to lay it down, so you can see me using the comb to press the frontal down, and then I just blow dry it to lock it in place. So as you can see, I repeat the same processes on the sides, but y'all, make sure to take extra care on the sides, because that's always the first to lift up when you're out in public or you're trying to look cute. I don't know if it's just me, but those corner flaps always give me problems. Okay guys, so pay close attention to this next part because this is key to getting that lace melted. So when I do this quick method, I oftentimes have some of the lace that's lifted in the front. So to get that lace on flat, I go in with my GOT2B spray on my fingers, and then I just go over all the lifted parts, and then I use my comb to press it down while blowing the blow dryer on it. So now that that's done, it's time to lay the edges. So I first take my brush and kind of map out where I want the edges to go, and then I go over it with Eco Styler to lock it in place.
Josh make my head sound crazy.
So after I've gotten my edges to be where I want them, I then go over my hairline with GOT2B glue spray and wrap it up. This is so important to getting your lace to be laid all day. So after my hair is wrapped up, I usually do my makeup or I get ready. Because it takes about 15 to 20 minutes for the spray to dry, so I just went over with the blow dryer just to speed it up. Because I didn't tint the lace, I just decided to go over the hairline with foundation to just really get it closer to my skin tone. Okay guys, so do not come for me, but when I initially filmed this, I did not blend my concealer in enough, so I just went back in a couple hours later and just blended it way better, so do not come for me.
And there it is. I do need to curl it. I want to run some curls through it and give it a little bit more definition, but for now this is probably how I'm going to leave it. Thank you guys so much for watching and sticking through my first video install, whatever it's called. But if you like this video, please give it a like and comment what you guys think about the hair. If you're feeling it, if you're not, I hope you are feeling it because I am. Bye.
I don't believe